Hi, this is Sonia with RC Solutions, and welcome to day 55 of the Essence of Time, and it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes of your day, what would you make? So far, we've gotten the background, and we've got some of this stuff on here for this layout. But on this session, I'm wanting to kind of paint around her and around some of this stuff just to kind of blend it in. I hope I don't mess it up. Oh, I hope I don't mess it up. But we're just going to see. So I'm going to go ahead and start my timer. And let me get my page protector. Let me take this stuff out of here so I don't mess this up. I should have just did that anyway. Okay, so I'm mainly only working on this side anyway. I'm wondering, I'm just going to use a little bit of this blue. I'm going to stick my paintbrush into the water and then just get a little bit of this blue on the brush. And I'm just going to see if I can kind of blend some of this in, if you know what I mean. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't work, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just trying to blend. Like I said, this might not be a good idea. It's probably not. But yeah, I just want to see if I can kind of make the background, make these stickers look like they're part of it, like, if you know what I mean. I'm sure there's a term for it, but yeah, I never studied art, so other than from YouTube, what the proper word is when you blend colors and you it's like an art journal, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna see if this is gonna work. I was going to use black, but I felt like that would be way too dark. So I'm sticking with the blue, and then I'm just going to get a little bit of this green and do the same thing with it. I got just very little water. But I feel like if I'm using the same colors that are already in these backgrounds, that can kind of help a little bit. So, and this is watered down, so. Now, some of these stickers, I'm not sure how the colors are going to blend in with it, because I'm not sure if it's going to stick well enough, because it's slick, and so when you paint on a slick surface, it doesn't always work. But I'm going to give it a shot. Let's see. I don't want to put too much on here. I do like the fact that this this stand, this what do you call it right here, it's plastic, so I could just kind of like wipe it off, because I don't, like I said, I don't think that the paint's going to get stuck to it. So let me get a rag, try to wipe off some of it. Okay. It kind of blends in a little bit, I don't know, but I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Do you think I've just done too much? Let me get black and see if I can add some shadows. I bet I'm really going to mess up on this with the black. I hope not, but let's see. I'm gonna be really careful. Yeah, I'm scared to do it. I think that by using the black, it would kind of blend in the lady with the scene. It's watered down, so hopefully it's not too bad. And you can still see some of the other colors as well. All right, and then I'm just going to take the dryer to it. And then I'm just going to see if I can go around it with this gel pen. I don't know. It might work or it might not work. I don't know. We'll see. All right. The timer just went off. So I want to finish this. It's not going to take me too long. I'm just kind of going around and highlighting her. And some of these other images. Definitely want to highlight the coffee. latte, and then we're going to highlight this little cupcake. Just to make it stand out a little bit. I'm just going to go around this flower. Basically, I'm just highlighting everything. So I think I like that. Let it highlight it. Sorry, I'm not talking a whole lot. I just, when I'm in deep thought, it's hard for me to do that and talk and draw. I'm almost done. And then I might just let this be the final thing. I think I will. So I'm just highlighting this. Go ahead and go around that. Go around this 8. And then go around. I didn't really need to go around this too much, but wouldn't hurt. And then for the final bit, I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow around this key. And then I think I'm going to add it around her. And then I'm going to take the brush and then just kind of blend that in a little bit. And then this is going to be it. I can live with it. So that's what, day 55? All right, so let me just do a little close up and I'll be able to take a picture of it. So we have the one side. I'm not going to even worry about that side. So this is the side that we've completed. And then we'll do that side on, I guess, on the next day. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.